Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you just a quick few steps that you take if you want to take your makeup look from day to evening or night. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. But before you leave, please don't forget to like, share, also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, my face is very natural. I'm coming from work. For example, you're at work and it's on a Friday night, your girlfriends call you and say, Michelle, we're gonna go out for drinks or go to a party after work tonight, and we want you to come with us. So you want to go, but you don't want your face to look just like you're coming from work, kind of plain, just natural. I'm going to show you how to take your look up a notch for going out after work. So as you can see, I have on like just regular plain eyeshadow, nude lips, nothing too crazy. So I'm going to show you how to bring it up a notch. So the first thing that we're going to do, I'm just going to get my setting powder. I'm not going to apply any more foundation to my face because I already put some on this morning. I'm just going to get my setting powder, which I'm going to use the Sephora Micro Smooth setting powder, and I'm just going to get my powder brush and just take away some of the shine from my face. All right, I'm going to put it everywhere except maybe for under my eyes. We'll see how the under eye look. I have something else for the under eyes. All right, so we're gonna just push in the powder, take away some of the shine. Then for the under eyes, I'm going to use I don't want to use any powder because I don't want anything to fall over my face like loose powder. So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Face press powder. It looks like that. And the color is Creamy Natural. Alright, so I'm just going to use that with my makeup sponge, and I'm just going to dip it in here or press it in here. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. Just going to press it in here and just put some underneath my eyes just to brighten that up a little bit. Alright, like so. Put some on the side of my nose. Like that. See, it's coming together already. Alright, just put some under the eye. Alright. Put some on the side of my nose. A little bit over my forehead. Over my brows. Or on my brow. Alright, I'm just going to not bake, but just put some on the side of my nose. Like that. Alright? So that's all we're going to do for now, for the under eyes. We'll brush that off later. Now, as you can see, my eyeshadow is just like a regular natural color that I have on my lid. So what I'm going to do is take my eyeshadow palette, right? And I'm just going to get like a shimmer color. Like I'm gonna use this bronzy goldy one. This is the Morphe Supernatural Glow palette, which I love. All right, I'm gonna zoom in a little more, and I'm just going to get that color, this color here, right? I'm going to take my finger, my ring finger, well, not my ring finger on my right hand side, it is your ring finger. I'm just going to look down and get a little, put my finger in it, get a little bit, and just put it in the center of my lid. Like that. Give you a little sparkle, shininess. And basically I'm just trying to put it all over my lid here. I was going to leave it just in the center, right? Like that. A little sparkle here, right? I already have on a liner from earlier. A little wing, like that. She's already changing the look a little bit, right? Just like that. What do you think so far? Right? And then I'm going to deepen up the end of my crease with the brown color. I'm going to use this brown. Just put a little bit on my crease, nothing too crazy to fall over my face. I'm going to put a little bit right here, right? You see it? Just on the outer edge. You already see the difference, right? Okay. It's a little bit on this side. Now that's already looking a little different and brighter, right? Okay, now we're going to get our contour palette and, you know, sharpen up that face a little bit. I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use this brush. And I'm going to use my contour palette. This is a palette that I got from a friend of mine that has a makeup line. It's called Fruit Cosmetics. I'm going to do a video showing all of the stuff that she has. So I'm going to use this dark color here. And then I'm just going to use the brush to contour my face. Since I already have, you know, the powder, I don't want to put any cream, so I'm just using the powder contour. You know, warm up my forehead a little bit. I'm sporting my ponytail puff today, right? Okay, like that. It's coming together, right? Now let's put some at the jawline also. Then we have to get the nose, right? Gotta contour the nose. I had a brush 2 seconds ago. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to use that same color. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use a lighter. I'm going to mix these two colors, this one and this one, to just, you know, lightly contour my nose. Okay. Snatch my face up a little bit. Okay. Because, you know, doing your face, just doing your brows alone takes up a lot of time. So we don't want to leave work and then do our face all over again. That's too much. So how you make your makeup look fresh, as if you just did it before you go out. right? All right. Okay. I think that's enough contouring. Now this palette also have a highlighter in there, which is here, this color, the end. I'm going to put some on. It's almost like a pinkish shimmery color, which is different. Okay. I see the glow. Alrighty. I think this one is a little too much to put on my nose, so I have the other one here by MAC Oh Darling, which is like, it's really cracked up all over the place. So I'm just going to put a little bit down the bridge of my nose. Down the bridge of my nose like so. Sharpen up that nose bridge. Let me know if you guys like this idea, okay? Let me know what you think. I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose and blend it out with my finger. Okay, then I'm just going to put some in my inner corner. I'm gonna make sure when those lights are flashing in the club, if you go dancing, you know, your eyes are going to be popping, and no one will ever be able to tell that you didn't do your whole face over, right? Alrighty. Next, I'm going to put on some blush. A little bit of blush. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm using another palette. This is a this one is the blush palette from that same company. Have these beautiful colors in it. So I'm going to take these two here, which is like a pinkish and an orangish color, and just, you know, warm up my cheeks a little bit, right? Like so. Go heavy on the blush, heavier on the blush since it's nighttime, right? Like that. Next, we're gonna do our lips. So I'm going to take off this little lip gloss that I have on. Use my makeup brush around my lips, and then I'm going to line my lips with the MAC Chestnut pencil. I mean, since it's nighttime, you could wear like a red lipstick, but I'm not going to wear it. I'm just going to put on this nude color by Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, number 60. But you can wear red if that's what you like. Now this matte color is great because more than likely you're going to be eating, right? So you don't have to worry about your lipstick coming off. Outline it some more. like that. Now if you want, you could put on some hold on a second, let me dust off the powder from under my eye, or just push it in. See how my eyes are nice and bright? Now the only thing left to do is to use some lashes. Put on some lashes, you know. So I'm not going to keep you guys to do the lashes on camera. I'm going to do the lashes and then come back and show you guys how it looks. All right, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I went off camera. I just applied some lashes, which are these Kiss Look So Natural lashes. Right, so as you can see, my look has been turned up. I still have you guys zoomed in so you could see, and I did decide to put some gloss on. I put on the Fenty gloss bomb over my lipstick. So, you know, this is how you can take your look from day to night. Let me zoom it back out. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think it was easy? You know, I mean, no one wants to come from work and do their whole face, because you know that could take time. So all you have to do is just add a few things to it. Some blush, some little shimmer over the, you know, the plain lid, and there you have it. So that's how you take your look from day to night. I hope that you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think down below, okay? Okay guys, so there you have it. This is just, you know, me showing you how I would take my makeup look from a day look to a night or evening look. So I hope that you enjoy this quick little tutorial that I had for you. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also turn on your post notification bell so you know when I have my next upload. I hope that you're all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.